So I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the OnePlus Nord N30. Now this is a budget to mid-range phone. It's selling for $300 brand new. It released a little bit over a month ago, and I gotta say, the box design is pretty chunky, but I do like it. I like the N30 logo on the side of it. I think it looks pretty slick. Anyways, let's get it out of the box. Okay, at the top here, looks like you got your basic user manual, probably a little SIM card opener or something like that in here as well, but not feeling that. All right, looks like we got the user manual and something's on the back. Looks like a card for a cell phone plan, probably. Don't really need that. Okay, let's get this thing out. Now, typically with these OnePlus phones, it always comes with the red charging cable. And looks like our little plug, pretty basic stuff. Okay, let's get the cable out. Oh yeah, that is a massive cable. Look at that. Oh man, gotta love that. All right, so you're definitely gonna get like a pretty far extension with that cable. But anyways, back to the phone, right? All right, let's get the wrapping off this thing. And I gotta tell you guys, for a $300 phone, this has some impressive specs. So check this out. 6.72-inch LCD display, a 108 megapixel back camera. What? And a 5,000 mAh built-in battery. And I gotta say, the design on this looks really cool, but there's no way you're not gonna notice these big cameras right here, man. Look at how cool those lenses look. They're so jumbo-sized, it's pretty ridiculous. All right, so it's got a glass front, plastic frame, plastic back, but it's kind of hard to notice that the back's plastic because it does feel like it's glass, but it's not. Got to point that out. It's also got a Snapdragon 695 processor, so it's not going to be as powerful as like a newer flagship type of phone, but still pretty good. Okay, anyways, I skipped through the startup screen for you guys to save some time. One of the first things I always do is check out the different wallpapers available on new devices, and I am happy to say they got some cool ones in here. This kind of red one caught my eye, so I think I'm going to switch to this. And we're going to probably just set that. But overall, I'm going to just say that my first impressions, just getting out of the box, very, very cool looking phone. That's how I always feel about these OnePlus phones. But, you know, the fact that you're getting a huge display on this, even though it's LCD, I don't think that's a big deal. And you get the 108 megapixel back camera. That's just insane. So obviously this phone's going to be really good for phone photography. I think for $300, come on now. This is a deal. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is run some video in gaming so we could see and hear some of the loudness and just how this phone performs. Of course, if you want to learn more about this phone as far as, you know, maybe our full detailed review, more specs on it, and pricing, we'll have some links below in the description. For now, let's run it.
Everything in my power to protect this city. I promise. Whoa.
Qué guapo.
Gracias, mami.
Guys, I wanted to thank you, both of you.
You need to lay low. Don't trust anybody, and don't take off that mask.
This message is from Roxxon. The underground will stop it.
They need you. Miles, what's the underground doing? They're after Newform. Tinkerer, stop!
Gotta say, I'm disappointed, bud.
You think you can beat the Tinker? Roxxon, you can!
Every time I think I got this Spider-Man thing figured out, something goes wrong.
Miles, our family doesn't give up.
Whenever you say Spider-Man, you always mean the other one. Your
Of
Spider-Man.
course, before we get more into this, we wanted to recommend our must-try app, which is Ignition Poker. Now, the cool thing about Ignition is they have both free and real money games. You can play up to 4 tables at a time, and they've got some of the biggest tournaments to play online. Now, this hand right here was pretty sick. We had an ace-10 suited in a $200 cash game, and we flopped the biscuits. Of course, as you're watching this hand play out, if you wanted to learn more about Ignition or get started, we'll have some resource links directly below in the description.
afraid your path ends here.
Supreme victory! Fight on! Ready! Fight! Shadow counter! Winner!
I'm afraid your path ends here.